Hello mga friends, I am Jason Lidres, also known as Lightyears. Remember this iconic drone photo? Yep, I did it. Peak season na naman para sa Gilungan City, post-media and trends. I would like to invite everyone to witness another documentations and highlights this coming annual fiesta. Join the trend, enhance the capabilities, promoting the city escapade. See you Gilunganons!
Gihulngan syudad sa paglambo, kamong tanan no halik na o dayon kamo lagta sa kabukiran ug baybayon sa hayahay ug nindot na pananawon. Oh, oh.